Picking up where we left off. Finishing up this at hackoffyourcuffs.com with our first client. We're going to call her
Hack job.
Mrs. X. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not what you think. Well, maybe it is.
She cutting off a handcuff that she wanted to play with. Oh, you know how to keep her.
No way.
All right, got her out of there.
Oh my God.
Woo! Had to jump too, but.
And ladies, look,
blood going on? No
there
blood,
it
no
is.
bruises?
Hey,
Huh?
you turned into a what are they called?
And there you have it. Handcuff removed. Let me see your wrist. Let's see your wrist. She's not cut up. She's still alive. Just little bruises, but she okay. She be straight.